What's up, world? Here with my little brother.
Hello.
And today we're gonna replace / repair the headliner of this thing. Let's get it. We gotta take off all these little what are these things called again? Vinyl visors. We gotta take out the visors.
The thing that blocks out the sun so you don't crash.
Yeah, and the lights, and this mirror. So let's get to it. Got some in my eye. Done. We got everything that we need to take off. Let's get the fabric and let's put this thing on. A little fabric. Now, let's just put it on.
Later.
We're just about done with the whole getting it all straightened out. What we're going to do next is we're going to just trim around the edges.
Oh, A few moments later.
Alright guys, so check out. We're finally done with it. Overall, it came out pretty decent. I mean, it's obviously a do-it-yourself at home, so it's not going to look professionally done. It does have its flaws, but overall, I don't think it came out too bad. Yeah, so stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys posted whenever I do the next project for this thing, which may take a while actually. So yeah, see you guys.